welcome back to Fly High Balloons Creations. Welcome everyone. We'd like to give a special welcome to all of our new subscribers. We are so glad you're here and we really appreciate your support. My name is Deborah. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to our channel if you like and find the content helpful. With Mother's Day just around the corner, what better way to show your love and appreciation for mom than with a beautiful homemade balloon bouquet. In today's tutorial, I will guide you step by step on how to create this stunning balloon bouquet that surely will bring a smile to her face. So let's get started.
Materials needed to create the base are balloon pumps. I highly recommend using an electrical pump for your latex balloons and large foil balloons, a hand pump for your smaller foil balloons, balloon sizer box for accurate sizing, assorted balloons and colors that your mom loves. Think about her favorite colors or maybe even the colors of her favorite flowers. This is your chance to get creative, guys. You will need 20, 11, or 12-inch balloons. I will be using all Sempertex brand balloons in 11 inches. 6 fashion pink, 11 rose, and 3 reflex gold. To make my bouquet extra special, I will be incorporating to the base this 29-inch Love You Mom heart foil balloon with 2 other 18 inches and these beautiful gold butterflies. Last but not least, you will need 260 balloons to attach the foil balloons to the base of the bouquet. I first will begin by inflating 2 fashion pink balloons, 1 rose and 1 reflex gold, and size them down to 9 inches by pressing them up against the 9-inch hole of my balloon sizer box and slowly release the air until they just fit through and tie them off. As you can see, after sizing the balloons down and tying them off, I was still able to get nice round shaped balloons by pressing down on them. Grab 2 balloons, it does not matter which colors, tie them together, making a duplet. Do the same with the other 2 balloons, making another duplet. Bring both together, taking 1 balloon from each, twist them together, making a quad of 9-inch balloons. I will repeat these steps until I have made 2 more sets of these 9-inch quads for the base of the balloon bouquet. Repeating the exact steps, I will inflate 4 11-inch rolls and size them down to 6 inches, making a quad of 6-inch balloons. I will repeat these steps until I have made 1 more set of these 6-inch quads for the inner base of the balloon bouquet. Now I am making 2 sets of mini quads by inflating 8 5-inch balloons, sizing them down to 4 inches, and tying each set to the end of a 260 Q balloon. I will repeat these steps until I have made 4 more sets. 2 sets of rose and 2 sets of gold in these 4-inch cords. As well as individual mini cords, I will use these cords to add depth, visual interest, balance, and support to the bouquet. Let's build the base. Step 1, grab your 9-inch and 6-inch cord. Place the 6-inch cord on top of the 9-inch cord. Find a scritchy neck in both cords. Tie them together and make sure the top balloon is sitting between 2 balloons below it. Step 2. Take the new 9-inch cord and place it on top of the existing 6-inch cord, watching the placement of your colors, making sure they do not repeat each other, and take the neck of both cords and tie them together. Step 3. Take the new 6-inch cord, place it on top of the existing 9-inch cord, and tie both necks together. Final step 4, take the new 9-inch cord, place it on top of the existing 6-inch cord, and tie both necks together. And there you have your base, guys. To make a balloon water weight, take 2 11 or 12-inch balloons and put one inside the other. Place the necks over the tab, fill the balloon slightly with water, carefully take off, release water if too much, and tie. And there you have your water weight. As you can see, the base is flimsy. So you are going to pick the front of your base. Underneath it, find a balloon with a scritchy neck. Tie the neck of your water weight to it. And you are going to do the same on the other end of your base to balance it out. There you have a sturdy base. Now it's time to add some accent balloons around the base. I spreaded the 260 and wrapped both sets around the standing 2 sections on both ends of the base. To inflate the large foil balloon, I use my hand pump to open up the valve and use my electrical pump to fully inflate the large foil balloon. I use my hand pump to inflate the small foil balloons. To attach the 260 to the foil balloon, I push all the air out of the 260 to allow me to stretch the balloon even more. I took the 260 balloon and placed it across the very end of the valve and rolled the balloon up around the 260 all the way up until it touched the base of the balloon. I took the two ends of the 260 and tied them together into a double knot. To attach the large foil balloon to the base, I took one end of the 260 and gently wrapped it around the middle latex balloon. To give more support to the foil balloon, I took a mini cord and attached it to the neck of it. To attach the small foil balloon to the base, I gently wrap one end of the 260 around one balloon on one end of the base and did the same with the other small foil balloon on the other end of the base. Once your foil balloons are attached to the base, play around with the arrangement until you are happy with how it looks. I use rubber bands to attach the individual mini cords to the bouquet. I use glue dashes to attach the beautiful gold butterflies to the bouquet. What's a Mother's Day balloon bouquet without roses? So I decided to incorporate these beautiful artificial roses throughout the bouquet to make it extra special. And there you have it, your very own homemade Mother's Day balloon bouquet. I'm sure Mom will absolutely love this thoughtful and colorful gift. Thanks for watching and for your support. Be sure to subscribe for more DIY tutorials and creative ideas. Happy Mother's Day to all the amazing moms out there. Until next time, you guys stay blessed and we will see you in our next video. Bye.